What up everyone, this is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your DNS server isn't responding in 2025. So let's get right into this. So this is for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, and if you're getting this error, the easiest way to fix this is to go to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this pop up, basically like these four internet looking screens. In here, right-click into whatever you're connected into. So if it's a PC, you're probably connected via Ethernet, so right-click into that and go to Properties. But if you're connected via Wi-Fi on PC or laptop, same thing, right-click and go to Properties. I'm connected via Ethernet, so I'm going to go here. In here, you're going to click into where it says Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then click into Properties, and yours is going to be on Obtain DNS Server Address automatically. Change it from automatic to manual, and change your preferred DNS into 1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, press close, you should be good to go. And you should not basically have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's it. That's the easiest and quickest thing you can do, and you should be good to go. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the like button, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.